Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Heritage Groove portable Bluetooth wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it, clear all the settings. So you can set this up basically like it's a brand new device. We can go ahead and do this really easily. We want to make sure we're just going to go ahead and disconnect it or forget it from any devices that it's been paired with in the past, so we can set it up like new once it has been reset. And all we're going to do is with it on, we're going to come find this Bluetooth button here and the volume down button here, and we're going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds until we see this status light here blinking in kind of blue greenish. And once the reset is complete, it will go back into pairing mode, which means that this will be just kind of slowly blinking in blue. And you can go ahead and pair this speaker and set it up like it's a brand new speaker. And if you decide to get a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price.